Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add bio on Threads. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add bio on Threads. Maybe you just created your account on Threads and you haven't uploaded any bio and you want to upload one. Or maybe you want to paste the same bio from your Instagram to your thread, or it could be any other reason for you to upload bio on Threads. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first we have to make sure that you have already installed a Thread app from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in from your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Threads app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. And after that, we have few options at the bottom, as you can see. So from all these options, first one, this one is a home section where we get all the threads. The second option, we could search for things, and with the help of third option, we can write threads, and from the fourth, we can get alerts. And this is the option for profile, and we have to get into this. So for that, just simply click on this profile icon. Once you get here, you will see this interface. This is how your profile looks. If you have done any threads or replies, all will appear here. So now if you want to add your bio, what you have to do is that you have to click on this option which says edit profile. As you can see, this one, just simply tap onto this option. So here we get an option. As you can see, it says bio, and here whatever you want to write, you can write it here. So just simply click on this option, bio. So in the bio, you can type anything. You can type about yourself, or maybe whatever you have written on Instagram. Or if you want to type the same thing that you have written on the Instagram, then you can import your bio from Instagram. Otherwise, you can write any kind of quote, saying, or whatever comes to your mind, whatever you prefer, whatever you like, you can type it. And once you're done typing, you just have to simply click on done. But before here, you have to type your bio or description. So as I have written my bio, now I'm saving it. For that, I'm clicking on this option which is done. Here you can see the bio has been uploaded here. This is the same bio that we just wrote, and now it is appearing on a profile. Likewise, you can also upload your bio, whatever comes to your mind, whatever you prefer, you can type it. It could be about yourself, or it tells about your personality, or whatever you feel about, you can type in your bio. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can write bio on Threads. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.